I'm thrilled to be representing the beautiful state of Virginia at the Ms. America pageant this fall. My platform is blindness prevention through education and research. As ambassador of the Northern Virginia chapter of Foundation Fighting Blindness, it's my goal to raise awareness of retinal degenerative diseases as well as money for research. What makes this so personal for me is less than 2 years ago I could have lost my sight. That's a pretty scary thought. The foundation was instrumental in finding me a doctor that diagnosed me with narrow-angle glaucoma, a very aggressive form of glaucoma that robs you with no warning. Fortunately, I was one of the lucky ones. Because of the foundation, I was successfully treated, and now it's not a concern of mine to lose my sight any longer. Do you take your sight for granted? Imagine if you couldn't do something as simple as watching the end of this video. More than 10 million Americans are at risk of losing their sight to degenerative retinal diseases, and the numbers worldwide are even more astounding. People like you, people like me, are at risk. We need money for the Foundation Fighting Blindness to continue their cutting-edge research of diseases and the treatments that are very successful. For more information on Foundation Fighting Blindness and how you can help, go to the links below.